perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Diana Ross, Dionne Warwick, Jennifer Hudson, Etta James, Patsy Cline,
don't exist in objective reality.
Julie Andrews, Judy Garland, Amy Winehouse, Donna Summer, Stevie Nicks, Lady Gaga,
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid.
Dolly Parton.
Psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
C. The best songs of Dolly Parton. More Dolly Parton stories we learned about Dolly Parton that made us say, really, 26 weird and charming facts about Dolly Parton. Gladys Knight, Nina Simone, Billie Holiday, Christina Aguilera. See the best songs of Christina Aguilera. More Christina Aguilera. The best Christina Aguilera albums of all time. Things you didn't know about Christina Aguilera. Adele, Ella Fitzgerald, Celine Dion. See the best songs of Celine Dion.
Are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays
Mariah
irresponsibility and
Carey, Aretha Franklin. See the best albums of Aretha Franklin. More Aretha Franklin. The best Aretha Franklin albums of all time. You will are Aretha Franklin even more when you hear about her remarkable life. 55 of 162 1970s Christian pop artists. Carpenter. See the best Carpenter's albums of all time. Whitney Houston. See the best albums of Whitney Houston.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.